Hello knitting friends. Today I have this beautiful lace leaf design for you. Welcome back to Knit the Stitch. Today I'm looking at this beautiful twin leaf design where the leaves grow 2 by 2 up the fabric. This is 2 repeats of the pattern here, and they're separated by a few reverse stocking stitches. The leaf design itself is worked over 22 stitches, and I've added just 2 stitches in between each one, but you could always add a few more. And I've knit a few garter stitches at each edge to stop the sides curling in. The cast on edge forms this very attractive scallop shape. There are just 8 rows to the pattern, and one pattern repeat is from here to here, or one repeat is from here to here, and then to here. I'll write all the pattern details down in the description box below for you, so take a look there, and please subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. I think this would look lovely on the fronts of a cardigan or maybe a baby blanket. This is the reverse side. So grab your needles and some yarn and let's get on with the knitting. I've cast on 30 stitches here, which is a single set of 22 stitches for the leaf pattern, with 2 reverse stocking stitches at each end and 2 knit stitches at each side as well. Row 1 with the wrong side facing is knit 4, knit the first 4 stitches. Purl 10, that's 3 already. That's 6, 7, 8, 9 and the 10th one. And then I have 2 knit stitches, 1 and 2, and that's the centre of the design. Purl 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And my last 4 stitches on this row are knit stitches. Row 2. Row 2 with the right side facing, knit the first 2 stitches. Purl 2, 1 and 2, knit 6, that's 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then I have ssKpsso. So I'm going to slip 2 stitches onto the right needle, slip them back onto the left and knit them together to make 1 stitch. Then that stitch gets passed back onto the left hand needle, and the stitch after it gets brought over. So I've actually cast off 2 stitches there. Yarn over, knit 1, another yarn over, purl the centre 2 stitches, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over again and slip, knit 2 together and pass the slipped stitch over the knit 2 together. Knit 6, purl 2 and knit 2. Turning the work for row 3. Row 3, knit 4, purl 10, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Knit the centre 2 stitches in the middle of the pattern, purl 10, that's my 10, and knit 4. Row 4, knit the first 2 stitches, purl 2, knit 4, and then we have the ssKpsso. So slip the next 2 stitches onto the right hand needle, then pass them back onto the left, knit them together to make 1 stitch, return that stitch to the left hand needle and pass the next stitch on the left hand needle over that one, and then put that one onto your right hand needle. Knit the next stitch, yarn over, knit 1, and then yarn over again and knit the next stitch, purl 2, knit 1 and yarn over, knit 1 twice. So yarn over, knit 1 once, yarn over, knit 1 again. And then we have slip, knit 2 together, slip, knit the next 2 stitches together and pass the slipped stitch over the knit 2 together. Knit 4, purl 2 and knit the last 2 for the garter stitch edge. Row 5, knit the first 4 stitches, and 4, purl 10, knit the center 2, purl the next 10, and knit the final 4 stitches on row 5. Row 6, knit the first 2 edge stitches, purl 2, knit 2, ssKpsso, so slip, slip, knit them together, put that resulting stitch back onto the left hand needle and pass the next stitch over it. Then put that 1 stitch back onto the right hand needle, knit 2, yarn over, purl 2, knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over again and knit 2. Then we have slip, knit 2 together, pass the slipped stitch over, knit 2, purl 2 for the reverse stockinette, and knit the 2 edge stitches. Row 7. Row 7 starts with knit 4. That's 2 for the edge stitches and 2 for the reverse stockinette. Purl 10. Knit the center 2 stitches and purl the following 10. Knit the last 4 stitches. Row 8. Row 8 is our final pattern row. Knit 2, purl 2, ssKpsso, slip, slip, knit them together, return those to the left hand needle and pass the next stitch over. Knit 3, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, Purl the next 2, 1 and 2, knit 3, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, then we have a slip, knit 2 together, pass the slip stitch over, purl 2 and knit the last 2 stitches on this row. And that's all there is to the lace leaves design. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, enjoy knitting all your stitches.